Hello everyone, I'm Minakshi and I'm back with another super healthy, super delicious, gluten free, and nearly fat free recipe for you. Can you guess it, guys? Yes, it's none other than sprouted Moong Dal Chila, which is a very nutritious version of chila. So let's quickly start with the recipe. The ingredients are 1 full cup bowl of sprouted Moong Dal. If you want to know how to make sprouts, you can ask me in the comment section. Very little amount of water, nearly 1/4 cup water, 1 green chili, half teaspoon salt, then a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, then half teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon homemade bhuna jeera. Now if you do not have sprouted moong dal, you can even make chila from plain moong dal. Just soak them overnight and use them instead of sprouts, but mind it, sprouts are more beneficial. Now transfer all of the ingredients to your mixer grinder. I have added sprouts. Now I'm adding green chili, salt, black pepper, garam masala, and yes, bhuna jeera also. And now I'll be adding water little by little, as after checking the consistency I'll be adding more. So just add very little amount of water initially. I forgot to mention, guys, to add flavor to your chila you can even add 2 tablespoon besan to it, but this is totally optional for you. Now grind for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now just open the lid and check the consistency. Now I'll be adding more water to it as it's quite thick. So add little amount of water again to your mixture. As you can all see, this mixture has turned out to be a very smooth and fine paste. So sprouts are very well grinded now. Now just check the consistency of the batter. ये ध्यान रखें कि बैटर बहुत पतला ना हो, थोड़ा गाढ़ा ही रखें, बिकॉज़ अगर ज़्यादा पतला हुआ तो तवे पे बनाते टाइम ये मिक्सचर चिपक सकता है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, इट्स वेरी स्मूथ एंड फाइन पेस्ट एंड बहुत पतला नहीं है. सो मेक इट लाइक दिस ओनली. Now just transfer the mixture in your bowl. Sprouted dal has more protein content than plain dal, and it also reduces the carbohydrate content of dal, as dal itself uses good amount of energy to sprout. You can even add here chopped onions, grated carrots or coriander leaves to your mixture. It's totally upon you. Here I'll be making plain sprouted moong dal chila. Now take a cast iron or a non-stick tawa. When the tawa is heated, add 1 teaspoon desi ghee or olive oil to it and pour the mixture over it. Add very little amount of mixture on your tawa, just 1 full tablespoon only. Now when the top looks dry, edges turn brown, flip over and cook till golden brown. Chila takes time to cook from inside, so cook it on medium flame only. Making chila from the sprouts increases the vitamin B and the vitamin C content of the dal, and it is easily digested by the body too. So cook for another 3 to 4 minutes and flip the other side as well. Make sure it has been cooked very properly. Now transfer it to your plate in which you want to serve and add it with your green chutney and a bit of tomato ketchup too. So your sprouted moong dal chila is ready to be served. The recipe of fresh coriander chutney is given in the link below in the description box. Do check it out, guys. So guys, if you like my video, hit the like button, click on subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular notifications. Do mention in the comment section how you like my recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.